Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the latest features introduced in React. In the realm of web development, the evolution never ceases, and neither does the quest for better, faster, and more efficient ways of doing things. One such evolution is React 18, the newest iteration of the popular JavaScript library React, which brings a plethora of new features to the table. One of the most significant introductions in React 18 is concurrent rendering. This revolutionary feature allows React to work on multiple components at once, essentially rendering them simultaneously. This not only enhances performance, but also makes the user experience smoother, especially in dynamic, content-rich applications such as social media feeds. Then we have automatic batching, another great addition. This feature allows React to group state updates via event handlers. So instead of triggering a re-render with each update, React can now batch them together, minimizing unnecessary re-renders. This leads to a smoother performance and a significantly improved user experience. Next on the line is the Start Transition API. This feature gives developers the power to prioritize updates that are critical. These updates are rendered immediately, making the Start Transition API ideal for high-traffic applications such as chat platforms. And finally, we have Suspense SSR, or server-side rendering. With Suspense SSR, components can be rendered on the server side, which not only enhances performance, but also reduces the initial page load times. This feature is a game changer for applications that require quick and efficient loading times. To sum it up, React 18 is all about performance enhancement and efficiency. With features like concurrent rendering, automatic batching, Start Transition API, and Suspense SSR, React 18 is set to take web development to new heights. That's a quick overview of the key features in React 18. Stay tuned as we delve into React 19's new features. Now, let's dive deeper into these React 18 features. First up, concurrent rendering. This feature is a game changer, as it allows React to work on multiple components simultaneously. This means your application can handle dynamic content, such as social media feeds, with improved performance, making it a smoother experience for the user. Next, we have automatic batching. This clever feature groups state updates together, meaning React can minimize unnecessary re-renders. This results in a smoother performance and a more seamless user experience, especially when interacting with an application's interface. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Start Transition API is another notable feature in React 18. This API gives developers the power to prioritize critical updates, ensuring they're rendered immediately. This is particularly useful for high-traffic applications like chat platforms, where real-time updates are crucial. Let's also talk about Suspense SSR, a feature that allows components to be rendered on the server. This enhances application performance and reduces initial page load times, making it a valuable tool for applications with heavy data requirements. React 18 also brings us Root API, a new way to render your React apps. It provides more control over the when and where of rendering, making your apps more efficient and user-friendly. Lastly, we have React Server Components. These components are rendered on the server, which means less code is sent to the client, improving loading times and performance. These features make React 18 a powerhouse in web development, offering developers more control, enhanced performance, and a streamlined coding experience. It's clear that the team behind React has been hard at work, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in web development. But let's not stop here. Up next, we're going to delve into the world of React 19, where even more exciting advancements await. From the React compiler to the introduction of actions and the enhancements to the Hooks API, there's a lot to cover. So, stay tuned as we continue our deep dive into the cutting-edge features of React. Moving on, let's explore the exciting new features in React 19. This version introduces an array of enhancements and new features that take React development to the next level. Firstly, we have the much-anticipated React compiler, a tool that optimizes your code to create smaller, faster bundles. This is a game changer for resource-constrained devices, such as mobile phones, ensuring a smooth and quick user experience. Next, React 19 brings us Actions, a revolutionary approach to form handling. Actions offer enhanced flexibility and performance with the ability to process data on the server. This means faster responses and less load on the client side, leading to a smoother user experience. React 19 also introduces server components. These components are rendered on the server rather than the client's device. This technique significantly reduces the initial page load times, providing a boost in performance and a better user experience, but the improvements don't stop there. React 19 also brings enhancements in asset loading and document metadata management. These improvements provide a more efficient way to load assets and manage metadata, contributing to faster load times and a more responsive application. And last but not least, the Hooks API in React 19 has been enhanced. Hooks are a powerful feature in React that allow you to use state and other React features without writing a class. The enhancements in React 19 make hooks even more intuitive and easy to use. In summary, React 19 brings a host of new features and improvements that promise to make your applications faster, more responsive, and easier to develop. From the React compiler to enhanced hooks, these features are set to revolutionize the way we build web applications. These are the highlights of React 19. Let's dive deeper into these features. Let's start with the React compiler, one of the most anticipated features in React 19. The React compiler is a powerful tool that takes your code and optimizes it for smaller, faster bundles. This is a game changer, particularly for those of us developing for mobile or resource-limited devices. Next on the list, we've got actions. Actions are a total revolution for form handling in React. They offer enhanced flexibility and performance by allowing data to be processed on the server. This means less load on the client, more efficient data handling, and a smoother user experience. Now let's talk about server components. These are another big step forward in React's continuous journey towards greater performance. Server components are rendered on the server, which means they can streamline the initial page load process, making your applications faster and more responsive, but the innovations don't stop there. React 19 also brings significant improvements in asset loading and document metadata management. These enhancements allow for faster loading times and a more seamless user experience. And of course, there's the enhanced support for web components. This is a major win for developers looking to integrate React with other frameworks or libraries. The improved support makes the integration process smoother and more efficient. Lastly, let's not overlook the updates to the Hooks API in React 19. The Hooks API has always been a core part of React, offering a simple and intuitive way to manage state and side effects. And with React 19, it's even better, making React development simpler and more intuitive than ever. With these enhancements, React 19 is set to revolutionize web development. From the powerful React compiler to the game-changing server components, every feature in this update is designed with one goal in mind: to make your applications faster, more responsive, and more efficient. So whether you're building a small personal project or a large-scale enterprise application, React 19 has something to offer you. It's time to dive in and start exploring these exciting new features. What an exciting journey through the latest features of React 18 and 19. In the world of web development, these enhancements are game changers, pushing boundaries and offering unprecedented flexibility and performance. Remember concurrent rendering from React 18? It's a game changer, allowing multiple components to be rendered simultaneously. This feature is a significant boost for dynamic, content-heavy applications. And let's not forget automatic batching, which groups state updates through event handlers, minimizing unnecessary re-renders, leading to smoother performance and a better user experience. The Start Transition API is another powerful tool, enabling developers to prioritize critical updates, ensuring they're rendered immediately. This is especially perfect for high-traffic applications, and of course, Suspense SSR took the spotlight, enhancing performance and reducing initial page load times by rendering components on the server. Moving on to React 19, we took a deep dive into the React compiler, a handy tool that optimizes your code for smaller, faster bundles, perfect for resource-constrained devices. We also explored actions, a revolutionary approach to form handling in React, offering enhanced flexibility and performance. Server components were another highlight, boosting performance by rendering components on the server, streamlining the initial page load process. React 19 also introduced improvements in asset loading and document metadata management, along with enhanced support for web components, making integration seamless. Additionally, enhancements to the hooks API simplified React development even further, making it more accessible to developers across the globe. With these enhancements, React continues to lead the charge in web development, delivering faster, more responsive applications, even on devices with limited resources. The future of React looks promising indeed. With features like concurrent rendering, automatic batching, and the Start Transition API, developers can build dynamic, high-performance applications with ease. That wraps up our deep dive into the latest features of React. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Code Crafting Boost channel for more cutting-edge content like this.